Frustrated with the Upica Library DLL pop-up blocking Adobe? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic repair to get things running smoothly again. While preparing the manual steps for Upica Library, check the description for a tool that assists with background library management. This is the Upica Library, part of the Adobe Unified Product Installer architecture. It manages the unmanaged localized communication for localized licensing checks, and localized plugin, localized orchestration within localized Adobe applications. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. This issue is commonly caused by Adobe having a broken or truncated installation. Reinstall the latest official version of Adobe from the official website to ensure Upica Library DLL and all related files are correctly replaced. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Upica library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Restarting is our first line of defense. Since that didn't clear it, we'll dive into more specific settings in step 3, and if you need to pause the video to catch up, go right ahead. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodc_r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Please use caution. Replacing Upica Library DLL manually often requires elevated permissions that, if mishandled, can leave your system architecture vulnerable to external exploits. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. For a fresh review of system maintenance concepts, the recommended tool below includes information related to Upica Library. By subscribing, you're ensuring that the next time you encounter Upica Library critical error, you'll have a trusted expert ready to help.